We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. It's from Aramex. We got a bow and arrow. I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna take it out. Oh, look at that! It's perfect. This is my new bow. These are the cheapest bows. They were on clearance, and these guys were like $16 each, which is not very many dollars. It's a few dollars, but it's not that many dollars. So I was like, I'm gonna get these. And I must admit, shipping did kill it a bit. As a matter of fact, shipping cost only $1 less than the bow itself, actually. Oh no, did I snip the cord? Did I snip the cord? That was my bowstring. I hope I didn't snip the bowstring. I got an Allen key. I got the center. And I got the arm. So we're going to be assembling 2 more bows. I'll have an archery club in no time. Just go ahead, take this out. These are super quick to assemble. Last time it only took me like a couple of minutes, and now I've had the little practice run of how to get these guys together pretty quick. Oh, here we go. We take this guy out. We just slap on an arm over here. We get a washer. We boop this guy in here. Oh, gotta slide it in. Come on, come on. Get another one. Slide it on. Really, really quick to assemble little bow. I can go ahead and just Allen key this. Oh, hopefully Alan doesn't mind me using his keys. Oh, come on. Why? Go in. There we go. Do a little spinny trick. That's one limb on. And second limb. Not super interesting, I must admit. This is a bit of a random video. Just thought I'd make a little log entry for myself. Oh, here we go. How to time this? I wonder how long it takes me on average to assemble one of these little bows. Hopefully I can beat my last time with however many minutes that took. There's got to be like a secret formula. Is there like a method? Like a perfect method to assemble the bow the fastest? One goes in there. One goes in there. Oh, we slap this little Allen key on. We just spin around. We don't even grip it properly. We just sort of. That's one. That's two. Oh, look at that. Perfect. And then we just got to take the string out. I hope I didn't accidentally cut the string open when I opened the package there. Nope, I'm pretty sure it's still good. Now, I must simply bend this guy. I put a loop over one end. And then I flip it this way. And open the loop in the middle. And I just bend this guy down and hop it over the top. And he's strung. Look at that. That's our first bow. Very good indeed. Now it is time for the second bow. Oh, there's a bow on top of the bow. I've got bows on bows. When I'm done, I can take a bow. Right. A bow? Maybe that's a bit of a far stretch of words. Okay. Got the limbs. Got the bag. We just skip the step where we do that. I think maybe it'll be faster if I thread all the washers through the screws first. And then I put this guy over here. And I put one at a time in, perhaps. And I screw it all the way before getting the next one. Then there's no accidental droppage of screw between the transition. It should speed up assembly time. Yeah. Oh, we're behind on the speed run there. I accidentally let go of my thumb of the I let go of the Allen key for a second now. There we go. I wonder what the world record speed is for the fastest time to assembling a bow like this specific type of bow. Whatever it is, I want to find it and I want to clock it. Oh, we've got a long way to go. It's a little blunder there, I dropped the Allen key. I think we did that one a little faster. Now, when we do the stringing, just plop it down straight over in one sweep. We flip it, we grab it, we bop it. Oh, come on, there we go. Ah, second bow is ready. We've got 2 bows now. 2 very cheap bows. So, I don't know if I'm going to make these into ballistas or not, but we've got 2 more bows now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.